This is very common error when we try to access Laravel project in Ubuntu after installation. This is actually storage directory permission error. Now we'll see how we can fix this permission error. To fix this error, we have to give ownership of storage directory to the current user and the web server user. Now I will do it. Okay, I'm now at the root of my project. Now I'm writing the command sudo chown recursive and user and web server user, which is www data to the directory storage. Okay, now let's see what happened. The error gone. Thanks for watching the video.